Management planning. Management comes from the word to manage, which means to organize. Arrangements made through the process of activities and arranged based on the sequence and function are called management. So management is a process to realize the desires that are to be achieved or desired by an organization, be it a business organization, social organization, government organization, and so on. Types of planning. 1. Strategic planning is a planning process carried out by top management to determine the company's vision, mission, and long-term goals. This planning is usually carried out in the next 3 to 5 years and covers all aspects of the business, including product development, marketing, and operations. 2. Tactical planning is a planning process carried out by middle managers to develop medium-term work plans to achieve the goals set in strategic planning. This planning is usually carried out in a period of 1 to 3 years and includes marketing, financial, and operational plans. 3. Operational planning is a planning process carried out by lower-level managers to develop short-term work plans to achieve the goals set in tactical planning. This planning is usually carried out in a period of 1 year or less and includes production plans, inventory, and work schedule arrangements. 4. Financial planning. Financial planning is planning related to the financial management of an organization or government. Financial planning includes budgeting, asset management, and investment. 5. Human resource planning. Human resource planning is planning related to human resource management, such as recruitment, training, and employee development. 6. Marketing planning. Marketing planning is planning related to product or service development and marketing strategies to reach target markets. 7. Project planning. Project planning is planning related to project management from start to finish, including project planning, implementation, and supervision. 8. Crisis planning. Crisis planning is planning made to deal with emergencies or crises that may occur in an organization or government. This planning includes emergency steps and decision-making in unexpected situations. Planning has several important benefits in management. First, planning helps organizations to set goals and develop strategies to achieve those goals. Second, planning helps organizations in making better decisions by evaluating various alternatives and choosing the best alternative. Third, planning helps organizations to reduce uncertainty and increase efficiency and effectiveness. A. Definition of planning. Planning is the selection of a series of activities and subsequent decisions on what to do, when, how, and by whom. Good planning can be achieved by considering future conditions. Various responsibilities in planning depend on the size and objectives of the organization and the specific functions or activities of the manager. For example, for a garment company, clothing tailor, it tends to only make short-term plans in design or purchasing because its activities are greatly influenced by fashion. Planning implies that the manager first thinks carefully about his goals and actions. Usually the manager's actions are based on certain methods, plans or logic, not a hunch. Some characteristics of planning are as follows. 1. Objectives. Planning has clear and specific goals. These goals must be measurable and achievable within a certain time. 2. Flexibility. Planning must be flexible and adaptable to changes in the environment and existing conditions. This is done so that planning remains relevant and in accordance with actual conditions. 3. Integration. Planning must involve all parts or departments in an organization or government. This integration aims to achieve goals effectively and efficiently. 4. Sustainable. Planning must be able to guarantee the sustainability of a planned project or program. This is done by considering environmental, social, and economic aspects. 5. Realistic. Planning must be realistic and achievable with available resources. Goals that are too ambitious and unrealistic can lead to failure in achieving the goals that have been set.